1.7 thousand winners doing the round. Congratulations. Player C, 4.2 thousand makes it itself winner. Player Kev is like, Mom spaghetti. Mom's a sweaty. Good luck. No way. 50x on a 5. Please. Yes! Let's freaking go! No way! You got it! You actually got it! 250 to 1 is the payout. No way! 1.8 thousand winners. Whew! That
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.